All good. Checking the ends all the time. Checking my ends so I've got no leaks at the end. Checking everywhere where I could have a little hole, just get that silicone happening. Right, that end. I wanted to get this done and have it dry, so then it's in place solid when I'm screeding tomorrow. So I'll make some room in my van and pick up my bags. I'll have to work out how many bags I need. Oh, nice. Oh, nice, DIYs, nice. Yeah. It's an old wooden house, so you can't expect anything else than out of level. So we'll just pop a little bit around that, up there. I should have gloves on, but it's all good. Just check that. See, that's a bit howdy-doody, but and then you might ask, okay, what happens when all the silicone breaks down? Well, it's meant to be guaranteed. You know, it's meant to be 20 or 25 years. So if everything lasts that long, it's time you had a change anyway of your bathroom. You'd be way out of fashion. Time to change it. So he stuck it down. He stuck the waterproofing down to that puddle flange all right. So that's good. Just check that. It's good. Okay. Right. Okay, well that's part 2. And that's the water stops done. Now I'll unload my van and put some of my gear in the shed there, in the garage. And I'll pick up some bags of mud for in the morning and we'll get screeding. Working out my bags of mud. Okay, where's my tape gone? Where's the fat boy gone? Far out. It's got legs. No, there it is. I'll have to stick a neon light to it, so it get beep, 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 so I don't lose it. So what do we got here? So it's 2.8, so say 3 by 2. Right, well I always go, I will need, it's 3 by 2, so I need 6 bags for 10 mil, and I'm putting 20 mil in, so I need 12 bags for that room. This is 2 by, say 2. 2 2s are 4, 8, probably 7, but I'll get 8. Okay, so 12 and 8 is 20. 20 bags, which is going to cost me $180. I reckon that's cheap. If I got my mud delivered, it would cost me $100 just in cartage, plus the sand and the cement. So buying the bagged stuff, to me, it's not much dearer and way more convenient. Okay people, I'll see you in the morning. I'll turn the camera back on. It's going to be this tile wall and floor. God knows where they were made, who knows? Australia, my God. Australia can't make tiles, people. I'll tell you that. Anyway, so I expect these to be a bit sizey. They're sort of between a pressed edge and a cut edge. I bet they are not exact like porcelain. I guarantee it. Anyway, we'll get around it. We'll get by. Okay people, we'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Lean in, because there's heaps to learn and this is just the beginning. Ciao.